Greetings. I've noticed that some people have had trouble accessing my Google Class account, so I just wanted to go over a few of the ways that I have included discussion points within my course so far. The first way that I mentioned in my post was announcements. Currently there's nothing there, and I at this time I don't plan on putting anything there because this is more for when the school year is, and I don't want to just fill it up with random information at this time. The next way, I had have a question section. I have removed that at the time, just because I didn't think it really fit with anything. I think that there are better ways for students to post questions to the course than actually having a section devoted to that, and I'm going to go over that in a minute. The other thing that I have currently is their class blog. I really like the idea of using Google Blogger as a way for them to keep an ongoing account as well as to keep all their information in one place. But having a class one where they can actually put their projects, their assignments, their activities on there so that they can all see it, because Google Classroom only allows me to see those. So if we can post them there, the students can make comments and get feedback. Currently right now I have the student letter in there just because I wanted to have this greeting so that parents and students can see this when they first log into it. And then the last way that students can actually comment on things, I'm going to go to quarter one and we'll just look at this page here. So it says add a class comment, and students can actually post right to that week if they have any questions, and you can create an ongoing feed. So if anyone has any questions, comments, concerns, the whole class can see it and I can see it, and we all know that it goes to that week or the week after. And I think this is the best way for me to have it, having an announcement section for any information that kids might have about their about the school, about anything that's coming up for the class, a class blog for any of their assignments or activities, and finally these little news feeds that show students' thoughts and ideas and any questions they might have.